Top 10 most beautiful countries in the world. What if you could visit the most breathtaking places on earth without leaving your seat? Around the world, there are countries filled with incredible natural landscapes, fascinating history, unique cultures, and unforgettable experiences. But which countries truly stand out for their beauty? In this video, we'll explore 10 of the most beautiful countries in the world, each offering something completely unique. From peaceful alpine villages to volcanic islands and ancient civilizations, this journey will take you across some of the most extraordinary destinations on the planet. Stay until the end because our number one country continues to amaze millions of travelers every year. Number 10. Australia. Australia is the world's sixth largest country and is famous for its incredible diversity. It is the only nation that covers an entire continent, making it unlike anywhere else on Earth. Australia is home to unique wildlife from nowhere else, including kangaroos, koalas, wombats, and the platypus. It also contains the Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system, stretching for over 2,300 kilometers. Beyond nature, Australia is known for modern cities like Sydney and Melbourne, a relaxed lifestyle, and one of the highest standards of living in the world. Whether people visit for adventure, nature, or city life, Australia offers experiences that are difficult to find anywhere else. Number 9. Greece. Greece is often called the birthplace of Western civilization and democracy. Its history stretches back thousands of years and continues to influence the modern world through philosophy, science, architecture, and politics. The country is made up of more than 6,000 islands and islets, although only a small percentage are inhabited. Greece is famous for its whitewashed villages, blue domed churches, crystal clear seas, and ancient landmarks. Every year, millions of visitors come to experience its rich culture, Mediterranean cuisine, and timeless traditions. Greece combines history and natural beauty in a way that few countries can. Number 8. Iceland. Despite its name, Iceland is a land of extraordinary contrasts. It is one of the most geologically active places on Earth, with volcanoes, glaciers, geysers, waterfalls, and lava fields existing side by side. The country produces nearly all of its electricity from renewable energy sources, mainly geothermal and hydroelectric power. During winter, visitors have the chance to witness the spectacular northern lights, while summer brings the famous midnight sun, where daylight lasts almost around the clock. Iceland's untouched landscapes and commitment to sustainability have made it one of the world's most admired travel destinations. Number 7. Canada. Canada is the second largest country in the world by land area and is known for its vast wilderness, clean environment, and friendly reputation. Nearly 10% of the world's forests are located in Canada, along with thousands of lakes and protected national parks. The country is home to diverse cultures and consistently ranks among the best places to live due to its quality of life, education, and healthcare. From vibrant cities to peaceful natural landscapes, Canada offers a balance of modern living and untouched nature that attracts travelers from every corner of the globe. Coming up next are countries that many people consider even more breathtaking, where ancient traditions, world-famous landmarks, and unforgettable landscapes come together to create experiences unlike anywhere else. Don't miss part 2, where we continue a countdown from number 6. Number 6. Italy. Italy is a country where history, culture, and art come together like nowhere else. It is home to more UNESCO World Heritage Sites than any other country, reflecting thousands of years of remarkable history and architecture. Italy gave the world the Renaissance, with legendary artists like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo leaving a lasting legacy. It is also famous for its world-renowned cuisine, fashion, and timeless cities that attract millions of visitors every year. From historic landmarks to picturesque villages and breathtaking coastlines, Italy offers an unforgettable experience for travelers from around the globe. Number 5. Japan. Japan is a country where ancient traditions exist alongside some of the world's most advanced technology. Visitors can experience centuries-old temples and shrines while also exploring futuristic cities known for innovation and modern design. Japan is famous for its unique culture, seasonal beauty, exceptional public transportation, and one of the highest life expectancies in the world. Every season transforms the country, from the world-famous cherry blossom bloom in spring to colorful autumn landscapes. Respect for nature, cleanliness, and cultural heritage makes Japan one of the most admired destinations on earth. Number 4. Norway. Norway is internationally known for its spectacular natural landscapes and exceptional quality of life. The country is famous for its dramatic fjords, many of which were carved by glaciers of thousands of years and are now recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Norway is also one of the best places in the world to witness the magical northern lights during winter. Thanks to its strong environmental policies and commitment to sustainability, Norway constantly ranks among the happiest and most developed countries in the world. Its combination of peaceful living and extraordinary scenery attracts nature lovers from every continent. Number 3. New Zealand. New Zealand is often described as one of the world's most beautiful island nations because of its incredible variety of landscapes packed into a relatively small area. The country features mountains, forests, beaches, lakes, glaciers, and volcanic regions, making it a favorite destination for outdoor adventures. New Zealand is also famous as the filming location for the award-winning The Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit trilogies, introducing its breathtaking scenery to millions of people worldwide. Alongside its natural beauty, New Zealand is recognized for its welcoming people, rich Maori culture, and strong commitment to protecting the environment. Only two countries remain in our countdown. Both are known across the world for their unforgettable landscapes, rich heritage, and incredible diversity. One of them continues to inspire millions of travelers every single year. Stay with us as we reveal the top 2 most beautiful countries in the world. Number 2. Switzerland. Switzerland has earned a worldwide reputation for its breathtaking scenery, peaceful atmosphere, and exceptional quality of life. Located in the heart of Europe, it is known for its political neutrality, efficient transportation system, and high standard of living. The country is home to the Swiss Alps, which cover nearly 60% of its land area and attract visitors throughout the year. Switzerland is also famous for precision watchmaking, premium chocolate, and world-class skiing. With 4 official languages and a rich cultural heritage, it offers a unique blend of tradition, innovation, and natural beauty that continues to attract millions of travelers every year. Number 1. India. Taking the number 1 spot is India, one of the most diverse countries on earth. Few places in the world offer such an extraordinary variety of landscapes, cultures, languages, traditions, and historical landmarks within a single nation. India is home to the Himalayas, the Thar Desert, tropical beaches, dense forests, peaceful backwaters, and one of the 7 wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal. The country has more than 40 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, reflecting thousands of years of history, architecture, and civilization. Every region has its own cuisine, festivals, clothing, music, and traditions, making every journey feel like visiting a different country. From spirituality and wildlife to modern cities and ancient monuments, India's incredible diversity makes it one of the world's most fascinating destinations. Every country on this list offers something unique, whether it's remarkable history, incredible landscapes, rich culture, or unforgettable experiences. Beauty can mean different things to different people, and that's what makes travel so exciting. Which country would you love to visit first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey around the world, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Explore Infinity, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and remember, there's always something incredible waiting beyond the horizon.